hope that you have had a lovely weekend and are ready for a new week of distance learning. This week we are going to be looking at a new book again, but first let's remind ourselves of our this means that picture for a clue to help us with the word. Our second one that I want us to be using is our stretchy snake. That is when we look at the letters in the word and we stretch out the sounds slowly. And we go back and say the sounds all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. So I'll have a go, then you have a go, and we'll try it all together one more time. Ready? Little. It. Little. Have a go. Fantastic, well done. Let's try it all together one more time. Little. It. Good job. So the book that we're going to be having a look at this week is called Clothes for Rain. Let's go and have a read. Girls, this is what your book looks like on Oxford Owl. We all have access to this now. So Clothes for Rain. Look at my big hat. Look at Teddy's little hat. Look at my big coat. Look at Teddy's little coat. Look at my big boots. Look at Teddy's little boots. Look at our big umbrella. Now that I have finished reading the book, go all the way back to the beginning and have a go at reading it on your own. If you are struggling, you can rewind the video, or you can press this button down here where Oxford Owl will read it to you. Now boys and girls, now that you have finished reading, you should be on to your Kahoot. You can access Kahoot by typing it into Google at kahoot.it, or you can download it from the App Store. So your first game pin for your first quiz is 06481075. Press enter. So this is what your first quiz will look like. You have 4 questions. Don't forget you have a timer. And to join the game, all you need to do is enter your name and click OK, go. Once you have finished, don't forget to send me or your class teacher a photograph to show that you have completed your task. Have fun and enjoy!